everyone. Today we are doing a whisper challenge here, wherein one of us would listen to music using the headphones, and the other person would whisper some words or sentences. So the first person has to identify what the other person has told.
സോ അതാണ് ഗൈസ് വിസ്പർ ചാലഞ്ച്. സോ ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ ചേച്ചീൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഈ വിസ്പർ ചാലഞ്ച് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കും. ആൻഡ് ഇതിലൊരു ട്വിസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്. സോ ആ ട്വിസ്റ്റ് എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഇത് തോൽക്കുന്ന ആൾക്ക് ഒരു പണിഷ്മെന്റ് ഉണ്ട്. അത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഏറ്റവും എൻഡിൽ ആള് തോൽക്കുമ്പോൾ മനസ്സിലാവും. സോ വീഡിയോ വളരെ ക്രേസിയാണ്. സോ വ്ളോഗ് വളരെ ക്രേസിയാണ്. ലെറ്റ്സ് ഗോ.
In this game we have 3 rounds. We begin with the first round. So herein Ibn is going to guess the word. Allah. Herein I am going to whisper a word or a sentence and Ibn is going to identify it.
Okay.
Let's start.
So let me start the music. And I will be hearing the music and so yeah, Chichi, you can whisper anything.
India China face off at Pangong So.
अरे यार मैंने स्टार्ट भी
क्यों नहीं स्टार्ट किया?
म्यूजिक मैंने बोला वही बोल दे, मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया.
अभी भी नहीं सुनाई दिया. म्यूजिक लगाया है क्या? इप्पो ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത്
अभी मैंने म्यूजिक लगाया. तूने जो बोला ना वो मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया.
ओके ठीक है. Sentence is the current India China face off at Pangong So. The current India China face off at Pangong So.
The India China
One more word is there.
face off.
What?
Face off.
Not fees off. Just try it. Just try. You are almost near to it.
Fits off.
No. You have missed one word but in between the word the and India.
Repeat the sentence.
The current India China face off at Pangong So.
The current India China fits off.
No.
Feels.
Nahi. The current India China face off at Pangong So.
Fears.
No. The current India China face off at Pangong So.
Face.
Ah.
The current India China face off Bangkok.
No.
Right. Last word.
It's the current issue again. It's now the current issue. Pangong So.
Bangkok.
No.
Bank of Oz.
No.
Once more.
You're nowhere close to it. At Pangong So.
Rapunzel.
No.
Once more.
The current.
Say it slowly.
The current India
Say the last word only slowly.
at Pangong So.
At Bangkok. Guys, I am giving up. I'm not getting what she's trying to say. First, she told the current situation of India China face of what?
Face off at Pangong So Lake.
Bangkok So Lake.
Pangong So Lake is in eastern Ladakh. Now this is
Okay.
one of the current hot issues. So I just came up with the current headline. It's okay.
Yeah. In the second part, she's going to listen the music and I'm going to say whisper something. Okay. So let's see. Can she guess what I'm going to say? Realme, Oppo, OnePlus and Vivo. These 4 brands are belonging to the same brand, that is BBK Electronics. So
Realme, OnePlus, Oppo. Repeat it now please. Vivo are belonging to the same
company, that is I think I'm gonna lose. BBK Electronics.
that is
BBK Electronics.
BBK what?
BBK Electronics. BBK Electronics. BBK Electronics.
They are of the same company.
BBK Electronics.
BBK Electronics.
So she's right. So I whispered Oppo, OnePlus, Vivo, along with it Realme belongs to the same company, that is BBK Electronics. So she got the right answer. And
Actually, Ibn has been too generous. His lisping was very clear, as well as his voice. So whatever it is, we are finishing with the first round here. Moving on to the second round.
So yeah, let me see. Can I win in the second round or not? So take it.
Okay, I'm going to whisper the next sentence over here, and that is the current sensational. Currently in India, the drug racket is being exposed by NCB.
The current,
Currently in India,
currently India,
currently in India,
currently in India,
drug racket,
drug,
huh,
drugs active,
drug racket, drug racket,
attracted,
drug racket,
attracted,
drug racket
drug racket.
Ah.
Okay, drug racket
is being exposed
is being exposed
by
by
NCB.
NCB.
Yes,
I want.
every word is right. Now we move on to the second part of the second round.
Okay. So now I am going to whisper a sentence, and this time I will whisper a bit low so that my sister cannot hear anything. Yeah, okay. This time I will whisper a bit more less. This time my sentence is: Apple uses the displays made by Samsung.
Apple users, you look here. Apple users,
The displays.
Apple users,
The displays.
price.
The displays.
No, I can't get it.
The displays. The displays.
Display. Apple users, display.
The display.
Huh?
The displays.
Displays.
The displays.
Apple users,
The displays.
surprise.
The displays.
See your, huh?
Uses
Huh?
the displays.
Apple users,
The displays.
the space.
Displays.
Displays,
Which is belonging to Samsung.
which is belonging to Samsung.
I.
Apple users displays which is belonging to Samsung. That's it. Good. Okay, third round.
So yeah guys, second round, second part she won, and the sentence was Apple uses the displays which is belonging to Samsung. I mean display panels. You guys might be knowing that
Apple users ആണ് ഞാൻ users ആ പറഞ്ഞേ.
that Apple uses the displays which is belonging, basically display panel which is belonging to Samsung, and Samsung is the main person who is making displays for Apple and also for many other brands. So that was my sentence.
Completed the second round over here, wherein it is a tie because we both have won. Now we move on to the third round. So here we start. India-China relations are at its worst since 1962.
India-China relations are at its worst.
Are at its worst since 1962.
Worst since 1962.
Are at its worst since 1962.
Are at least worst.
Are at its worst.
Are at its. Okay. So India-China relations are at its worst from
Since 1962.
since 1962. So I won.
No. Is it on? Is the music
Yes,
on?
of course.
Oh my God.
Of course. You can listen. But Atma song is on. Yes, see.
Okay, so here
Song is on.
the first part of the third round is won by Ebin. Now we move on to the second part.
I'm gonna win, guys. I'm gonna win. अगर तू इस गेम में जीतेगी तो भी अगर तू इस गेम में
जीती तो 2:1 होगा, 2/1 होगा.
2/2 हो जाएगा ना,
2/2 कैसे होगा?
क्योंकि तू हाँ पहले इसमें टाई था ना.
नहीं ना, पहले इसमें मैं जीती, सेकंड इसमें हम लोग दोनों ने आइडेंटिफाई किया, थर्ड में अभी तूने आइडेंटिफाई किया है. अगर मैं नहीं आइडेंटिफाई करूंगी तो टाई होगा, अगर मैं आइडेंटिफाई करूंगी तो आई विल विन. ओके.
So I'm ready with my sentence, and this time I'm going to give a big sentence so that she would take a bit more time, and I will win this game. You know, because there is a small twist. Is there a punishment for this game?
Maybe. Let's see.
Okay, so maybe there can be a punishment for this game. Who is losing in this game? So let's give a big sentence to my sister. So my sentence is, I think.
You should have put a better music here.
So So I think today I'm not going to eat my dinner, and I'll just edit my vlog and just without eating the dinner, I will just sleep.
ഇത്രയും വലിയ സഡൻ. So I don't think today.
So today I think I will not eat dinner, and I am going to edit my vlog, and I'm just gonna sleep.
So go it in pieces now. So today I don't think, or I think.
I really got confused.
That is a problem when you speak such big sentences.
Okay. I just got it.
Okay.
So I think today I'm not going to eat dinner, and I'm just
So I think today I'm not going to eat dinner.
and I will just edit my vlog, and I will just go to sleep.
I will finish the vlog. I will
Edit my vlog.
edit my vlog
Arey,
and
shit.
go to sleep. That's it.
I'm leaving.
So, what are we doing?
I don't want to do anything.
Do you have a punishment for this?
I don't know. You want the game?
So here we go on to a very small punishment to Eben. Nothing but eating a small piece of ginger. Here we go. Take it.
Do you think this piece of ginger is small? Can you tell me from which angle do you think this is a small piece of ginger?
Just have a bite on it. We are done for the day.
Okay. I just can't bite it.
See, I asked him to take a bite of it and he's eating the entire thing. That's all for today. Thank you.